Let's have a real conversation. Not about haters, not about who doesn't want to see us win, about something quieter, something shaping us every single day, the algorithm. Welcome to State of the Black Community. Social media today is not just entertainment, it is a lifestyle showroom. It runs 24 hours a day, and it runs on one fuel, comparison. Scroll long enough and you start absorbing a message. If you don't look like this, drive this, wear this, vacation like this, you're behind. Luxury becomes normal, excess becomes expected, and patience becomes weakness. Now here's the reality. Most young people are on social media daily, not weekly, daily. That means the highlight reel isn't occasional, it's constant. And constant comparison changes behavior. It changes spending habits, it changes dating expectations, it changes what success looks like. Luxury used to require cash. Now it requires a payment plan, 4 payments, monthly installments, credit lines, and suddenly, status is financed. But here's the part we don't talk about. You don't just finance the item, you finance the stress. The pressure to maintain the image, the pressure to upgrade, the pressure to keep up. Meanwhile, wealth gaps still exist, ownership gaps still exist, asset gaps still exist. If income rises but consumption rises faster, progress stalls. And when too much community income is converted into depreciating status symbols, collective wealth slows down. Now let's talk about relationships. Social media has changed expectations. Men feel pressure to look established before they are stable. Women feel pressure to live like wives before commitment exists. Dating becomes performance. People start auditioning instead of building. And marriage gets delayed, stability gets postponed, and children grow up learning brand names before budgeting. They learn likes before legacy. They learn visibility before ownership. And here's the long-term consequence. Political influence is not just about voting, it's about ownership, business formation, assets, land, investment. The ability to fund institutions and sustain them. If we prioritize appearances over assets, we weaken long-term leverage, not in 1 year, but over years. So what must change? Red, risk. When the algorithm defines success and debt becomes lifestyle. Yellow, change. Normalize budgeting, normalize investing, normalize discipline, teach children media literacy, teach delayed gratification. Green, sustain. Shift from consumption to ownership, from flexing to building, from trending to legacy. The algorithm will keep selling. The question is, will we keep buying? If you're ready for real dialogue and real strategy, like subscribe, share, and turn on notifications. This is State of the Black Community, and the future isn't posted, it's built. As we close this chapter, remember that our strength lies in our unity and our shared vision for the future. Join the conversation, like, subscribe, and share to stay connected. Structure, responsibility, generational strength.